Welcome. This video helps you know the safest and fastest way to get your CAC certificate. Now, whether you want to become a CAC agent or you want to register your business name, all you need is to pay complete attention to every bit of this video. Let's sort this out. Registering the name of your business is the first impressive proof that your business is legally recognized, and it makes you appear like you know what you are doing, even if you do not. The first step to register your business name in Nigeria is to think of a befitting name for your business. It is important to note that you may not register any name you like because someone else might have registered it while you are busy advertising the person's business name by writing the same name on the signboards, billboards, stickers, and even putting it down in book without registering it. That's why schools, churches, and businesses change names. You can tell us your business name in the comment section, and after registration you can come back and tell us if you were able to register it or it has been taken. Mine is Jovic Sound Life Enterprise. I registered on the 20th of February 2020. I wanted to register Sound Life Enterprise, but when I got ready to register, someone else has already registered the name, so I had to use Jovic Sound Life Enterprise instead. As you think of a name to register, here are factors to consider when choosing a business name. 1. Relativity. Some businesses appear more attractive when the name relates to the goods or services offered. For example, Aliyu Furnitures, Ayo Phones, Express Logistics, Chima Electronics, etc. At the mention of these business names, you already know what they do. This sort of name is usually preferred if you sell or offer a single set of goods and services. Second factor to consider is the environment. This is a consideration of the general environment, which includes how learned or civilized the people in the vicinity are. Imagine your shop is in a ghetto or jungle and your business name is Quintessential Electromart. Instead of them to patronize you, they'll feel your shop is for educated people or your own too much. Which kind big grammar you will speak on top this small shop? The third factor is future. Considering the future will help you ascertain if you want such business name in 20-50 years time. This sort of consideration has made some people to register company instead of registering business. 4. Plan B. Knowing that great minds think alike, it is important to select more than one option name for your business so that if one is taken, you can use the other. Now that you have decided which name to register, it is important to understand that distance is not a barrier. You can be in Ghana, Canada, China, US, UK, Lagos, Abuja, Kano, Rivers, and be able to register your business name in Anambra State. And your documents will be mailed to you and you print it wherever you are. These are the requirements for you to register your business name. 1. A passport. 2. Your signature. 3. Your full name. 4. Email address. 5. Your date of birth. 6. Your ID card. 7. Phone number. 8. Your state and local government of origin. 9. Your permanent home address. 10. Your business address. After you have gotten everything ready, you can walk to any individual agent or CAC office near you. The result is the same. You can also be able to register by yourself. Look at the CAC website on your screen. Just follow the prompt and do it. If you find it difficult to follow the guide via the website to register, you can comment below so that I'll make a separate video on how you can do it. Chartered accountants and the lawyers can register for other people. The fee varies depending on the staff or agents you meet, and government may also increase or decrease the fees anytime. There is no queue in CAC office and it closes by 4 p.m. and they do not work on weekends like Saturday and Sundays. If you want to register for other people at a lower fee, you can contact me via my bio. After your business is successfully registered, you now have your CAC certificate, which contains your name, your business number, and other documents. Now it's time to open your business account with CAC certificate, or link your business name and number to your existing POS account, apply for grants, and do much more. I hope this helps. Like this video and subscribe if you can.